GPT-5 has officially landed, faster, smarter, and capable of switching between thinking like a speedrunner or a PhD researcher on the fly. But behind all the hype, there's already drama. OpenAI says this is the model that replaces every GPT before it. Users say, not so fast. It's being called the most powerful and user-friendly model OpenAI has ever made, with a unified brain that picks the best mode for you automatically. No more choosing between 03, 4.0, or Turbo. GPT-5 decides instead. But the rollout hasn't been perfect, and even Sam Altman has taken to X to defend some of the changes. Let's break down what GPT-5 actually is, what makes it different, and why its first week has been anything but smooth. On August 7, 2025, OpenAI released GPT-5 as the default model for over 700 million ChatGPT users across Free, Plus, Pro, Teams, and Enterprise. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete restructuring. Instead of a menu of models, GPT-5 is one unified system with an internal router. Ask it a question, and it decides whether you need a lightning-fast response, deep step-by-step reasoning through its thinking mode, or the heavyweight Pro tier for the toughest tasks. Developers also get mini and nano variants for cheaper, lightweight jobs. The promise is simple: no more model confusion, just one AI that adapts in real time. GPT-5 doesn't just talk the talk. It walks the walk. According to crowdsourced leaderboards like OpenLM's Chatbot Arena Plus, GPT-5 sits near the top of the rankings, especially in coding tasks where it earned an impressive score of 1,502, second only to Gemini 2.5 Pro. In WebDev Arena, a hugging face spin on those same human-judged battles, GPT-5 actually holds the #1 spot with a commanding arena score of 1,479. That means when users compare responses head-to-head, GPT-5 consistently wins in clarity, structure, and usefulness. Beyond popularity contests, GPT-5 shines in reliability too. Early benchmark tests from Vellum show its thinking mode significantly improves accuracy. On expert-level scientific reasoning, enabling deep thinking boosts performance from under 80% to well over 85%, leaving 4.0 far behind. And in high-stakes health queries, error rates drop below 2%, making it not just smarter, but safer and more dependable in the moments where it matters most. OpenAI is framing GPT-5 as a step toward AGI, even if it's not there yet. It's already embedded in Microsoft Copilot, Azure Tools, and GitHub workflows, with Apple Intelligence integrations on the horizon. Enterprises can now run customer service, analytics, document generation, and product prototyping on one system. For programmers, it's like having an AI intern who knows when to sprint and when to slow down for deep problem solving. And here's where things get messy. Within days, users began saying GPT-5's chat model felt weaker than GPT-4.0 for certain conversational tasks. Sam Altman admitted they underestimated how much people liked 4.0's style, so OpenAI restored it for Plus users. The launch also hit capacity limits almost immediately, with Altman warning of a severe capacity crunch for at least a week. A glitch in the auto switcher temporarily made GPT-5 seem way dumber until it was fixed. Some users found its personality colder, prompting promises of more customization, from warm and empathetic to purely logical. And while many love the unified system, others feel they've lost control over which model they're using. For developers, GPT-5 is a huge opportunity and a cautionary tale. It can handle design, coding, debugging, and deployment without switching tools. Thinking mode can plan projects before writing a single line of code. But it's also proof that even top-tier AI can stumble when scaled to hundreds of millions of users. Features can change overnight, and the AI you built around yesterday might behave differently tomorrow. Here at codeSphere, we're already testing how GPT-5 changes prompt workflows and whether its adaptability really delivers the productivity boost OpenAI promises. GPT-5's unified approach hints at the future, where you stop picking tools and just describe what you want, trusting the AI to adapt. But that future comes with trade-offs. More power in fewer systems means less direct control, and rollout hiccups prove that no matter how advanced the AI, stability at this scale is a constant battle. If OpenAI can iron out the kinks, GPT-5 could be the blueprint for how we interact with AI in the next decade. If not, the calls for more user control will only get louder. GPT-5 is here. It's ambitious, and it's already making waves, for better and for worse. The question is whether this unified approach will make AI more useful, or if OpenAI is taking too much choice away from users. What's your take? Drop a comment below, and if you want more no BS breakdowns of the future of AI and coding, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.